Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you Argyle nails art step by step guide. A cute and simple Argyle pattern. Switch up the color to match your mood or your outfit. Step number 1. Start by painting your nails with a gray nail polish. Step number 2. Using a thin nail art brush and a black nail polish, create a crisscross pattern on all of your nails. Step number 3. Using a thin nail art brush and a dark gray nail polish, fill in every other square. Step number 5. Using a thin nail art brush and black nail polish, create a set of diagonal lines starting from the top right corner of your nails. Step number 5. Using the same tool and nail polish, create another set of diagonal lines starting from the top left corner of your nails. Step number 6. Remove all the extra nail polish with nail remover. Step number 6. Finally, apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your beautiful acrylic nail art design is ready. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye.